The Diocese of Orange has ordained a new auxiliary bishop, the Most Reverend Timothy Freyer, who will support Bishop Kevin Van in ministering to the 1.3 million Catholics in Orange County. The Episcopal Ordination Mass took place on January 17th at St. Columban Parish in Garden Grove. The Mass was also live-streamed to a global audience. More than 1,500 attended the Mass with Bishop Van as principal consecrator, along with principal co-consecrators Archbishop Jose Gomez of Los Angeles and Bishop Jaime Soto of Sacramento. Also attending as concelebrating bishops were the Most Reverend Christophe Pierre, the Apostolic Nuncio to the United States, and Cardinal Roger Mahony, Archbishop Emeritus of Los Angeles. The Mass opened with a procession that included bishops, priests, and lay leadership who processed into the church, heralded by the music of the diocesan choir, under the direction of Christ Cathedral music director Dr. John Romeri. After the readings, Bishop-elect Freyer was presented to the congregation, and the mandate from the Apostolic See was read. The bishop-elect held the letter for all to see, and cheers from every end of the church erupted. Bishop Van spoke in multiple languages to those in attendance.
Your life will not only be a daily encounter with the risen Lord, but as you teach, you govern, and sanctify in the name of Christ with me, together with all of us, the providential moments of your ministry will lead all the more folks more clearly seeing completely that the path the Lord has marked out for them as they are led from darkness and the complicated edges of life, at times, to a place of light and faith and new life. What you have to be above all is a disciple of the Lord. And if you are a disciple of the Lord, you are in for the ride of your life. Well, Tim, buckle up.
Finally, Bishop-elect Freyer was anointed with oil and then presented with the gospel, the bishop's ring, the mitre, and the crozier. He was then enthusiastically received by the congregation as the new auxiliary bishop of the Diocese of Orange.